Melissa Piper Barr, and VP of Marketing. So I'm here to kind of grow this department, help add some systems and some things that'll really bring some value to agents and clients. So one of the best things that I love about our staff is that they are very willing, especially our escrow officers, they're very willing to look at the client's specific needs and tailor it. Our clients all have separate needs and wants on their transactions. Some want us to contact clients directly, others want all of the communication going directly through that, and we are certainly here and willing to tailor that to your specific needs. So one of the things that Pratt Aycock offers is a Series LLC program, which is excellent for anybody that you're working with on investments. So any type of investment properties, we can set up Series LLC, and it's really a great value prop for them to add, and it certainly really decreases the liability on your investors and your clients. So it really sets you apart and adds some value that you're putting in front of your client. I would say some of the top things with Pratt Aycock and the value that we bring are that we're attorney-based, we have great staff, and we're really here to make sure that your files run smoothly and that we're getting them closed.